Hello, gentlemen traders and investors. The analytical community is in touch with you. System.GURU.Markets. Let's start with the company's summary data. A little further, we will consider each parameter in more detail. If necessary, it is possible to pause the video. You can look at each indicator of the corporation being studied in detail. We will analyze the company's current performance indicators. Mimedx Group Inc., ticker MDXG. This review is based on current information as of June 7, 2025. According to classification Guru.Markets organization, Mimedx Group Incorporated belongs to the subcategory Pharma Metabolism. 33 companies are involved in the analysis, which is quite representative. We will see the final decisions closer to the end of this video. The company's score is 8.5 out of 10. Average score for the subcategory, minus 3.1 points. If you look at it broadly, within the framework of the entire market as a whole, we will see that the average result for the entire stock market as a whole is 1.9 points. Against the company's 8.5 rating Mimedx Group Incorporated. Comparing the dynamics of the company's share price Mimedx Group Incorporated and subcategory companies, we will see that over the last 12 months the company's shares Mimedx Group Incorporated showed a dynamics of minus 10.7%. 42% are against price changes in the subcategory. Market capitalization of the company Mimedx Group Incorporated amounts to $0.96 billion. The subcategory's market capitalization is $59 billion. The company's book value is $0.19 billion. And the capitalization of the subcategory is $11 billion. Having compared the market and book value shares, we see the following. Occupied share Mimedx Group Inc. in the subcategory when assessing market capitalization is 1.632%. Book value capitalization is 1.781%. Assessment of the organization's share of market and balance sheet capitalization in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The company under study has debts of $0.017 billion. Debt to book value ratio is 9% of equity. The result for the level of the company's financial obligations, very good, 2 points. The company's market price to earnings ratio is 23.9. Average in subcategory 0. Evaluation of the company's market value to profit ratio in comparison with organizations in the subcategory, very good, 2 points. Profits for the last 12 months were $40 million. The forecast profit for the next 12 months is preliminary $51 million. Assessment of the expected future profit indicator in comparison with the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's price-to-sales ratio is 2.7. Average for the subcategory is 11.1. Evaluation of the exchange value to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, good, 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $350 million. Forward revenue for the next 12 months is expected to be $430 million. Assessment of the indicator of projected future revenue in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The sales margin is 11.4%, with the average for the subcategory being minus 56.6%. Sales margin assessment compared to subcategory indicators, good, 0.5 points. The company's share in the number of employees in the subcategory is 10.398%. This is 537% more than the market capitalization share. The amount of capital per employee of the company is $1,145,000. And for the subcategory, $7,294,000. Assessment of the amount of capital per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's profit per employee is $47,900, with an average in the subcategory, minus $372,900. Evaluation of profit per employee of the company in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's sales per employee is $421,000. In the subcategory, $659,000. Assessment of revenue per employee compared to the indicators in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The volume of short transactions was 4.7%, with an average for the subcategory of 11.5%. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 43% for the company Mimedx Group Inc. For the subcategory, this level is approximately 56%. The company's current stock valuation is around $6.50. The consensus price target for the company's shares is approximately $12.01. Let's look at the order table. It is available to you. The link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all decisions previously made this season by the information and reference system, Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in the pinned comment. Based on the assessment of the company's securities Mimedx Group Inc. Information and reference system Guru.Markets, the following decision was made. Open a trade for growth at a price of $6.49. The order is open because the company has a high enough rating. The organization's assessment is based on the assessment approach, the Akeem's index. Take profit is set at 7.32. Stop loss is set at 5.66. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, then the order will be closed automatically at the end of the trading session on July 7, 2025, or on the last working day before this date. Ticker, or YTM, will become a balancing transaction for sale. The video on the balancing deal will be or has already been published on the channel. In case of closing one of the orders, the basic or balancing one, another order is closed at the actual price. Thank you very much for watching to the end and for using the information system from Guru.Markets.